Today's video is Chapter 6, Lesson 3C. We're going to graph systems of equations, which just means we're going to graph more than one equation. Well, it really just means, I was going to say more than one, but it doesn't even mean that. It means we're going to graph two. I don't know why the math book can't just say it. We're graphing two equations. We're going to put them on the same coordinate plane. So let's do a little review. Okay, so our review looks like this. We have three ways to graph. We can take an equation and we can pick and stick. So we can pick 0, 1, and 2, or 0, 1, and negative 1. We do the work, 2 times 0 minus 1, 2 times 1 minus 1, and 2 times 2 minus 1. We would get negative 1, positive 1, and 3. Our second option was we take the guy in the back and he becomes our first dot. We take our coefficient and that becomes our slope. Up 3 and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, draw a dot. If I don't have enough space, I can go negative, negative. 1, 2, 3, 1, and I connect. Okay, so pick and stick, or first dot, use the slope. And then our newest one was scribble and solve. So I write it twice, and I make x be 0 and solve for y. Make y be 0 and solve for x. I would get y equals 4 and x equals 3. Y equals 4, x equals 3. They would be on each intercept. Okay, so we reviewed. There's three options. You can use any option you want. You may have to rearrange. Remember, sometimes the equations, if this is your favorite, you may have to rearrange. Okay, now here's the point. We're going to graph two equations on the same coordinate plane. Now here's what's going to happen. Your two equations, one might go this direction and one might go this direction. And bingo, here's where they cross. Where they cross is the answer. What? When we were doing this, the line was the answer. Now, the line is just helping us get the answer. We want to know where will they cross. And we're going to write our answer as an ordered pair. Now, it's possible that purple does this and blue does this, and they never cross. And if they never cross, there's no solution. There is no answer. They never cross. You can do a 0 with a line through. It's called an empty set. There's one more option. We could draw the purple line, and then we could draw the blue line, and guess what? It is exactly the same line. It's on top of each other. And in that case, we have all real numbers. They're not all real numbers, sorry. I should say we have infinitely many answers. Infinitely many answers. Because we have millions and millions and millions. Like they cross here and 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 so on. They cross a million infinitely many times. So our answer is an ordered pair if they cross once. Our answer is no solution if they're parallel. Our answer is infinitely many answers if they happen to be the same exact line. All right, let's actually graph some of these. So purple. Purple is going to be start at negative 3 because that's the guy in the back. My slope is negative 2. So I'm going to go down 2 and to the right 1. I can't go down and left because that's negative, negative. I got to go down and right, or I can go up and left. Down and right, or I can go up and left. Okay, I'm not going to connect them just yet. I'm kind of curious to see where this line is going to be, because maybe they cross somewhere out in here and I got to keep going. Or maybe they cross somewhere here and I got to keep going. So I'm not going to draw my line just yet. I'm going to start at 5. So here we go. And then my slope is a positive 2 over 1. up to right 1, up 1, 2, and over 1. So it looks like if I keep, this line is bothering me, if I keep going up and right, I'm never going to see where they cross. So I think I'm going to have to go negative, negative, down to right 1, down to right 1. That's where they cross. We found it. So now I can connect my blue lines, blue dots, I can connect my purple dots, and the answer is right here where they crisscrossed, and it's an ordered pair, -2, comma 1. Remember, we go sideways and then up when we do ordered pairs, -2, comma 1. So this line and this line, when we graph them on the same coordinate, we get this solution because that's the only dot that works for both answers. I can stick a -2 in here and a +1 in here, and I get the same thing. Isn't that cool? All right, let's look at this word problem. Creative Crafts gives scrapbooking lessons X for $15 per hour plus a $10 supply charge, period. Let's don't go any further. We got our first sentence. Let's just deal with the first sentence. 15 per hour. 15, 15, 15, 15 plus $10 just once. Okay, have you figured out what the equation would be before I tell you? 15, 15, 15, 15, and a one-time $10. Y equals 15x plus 10. The one-time guy is in the back, and the 15 is going to be multiplied, 15, 15, 15, 15. Scrapbooks Incorporated gives lessons for $20 per hour with no additional charges. 20, 20, 20, 20, but no extra one-time fee. So have you figured out that equation before I tell you? Y equals 20x. Write and solve. So far we did the writing part. We wrote it. Solve means to graph and find where they cross. A system of equations to find the total cost Y for each craft store. Interpret the solution. Okay, so I know that my slope is going to be 15, up 15 over 1 and up 20 over 1. I don't think I can count by ones. So, and I know I'm going to have to start at 10. I'm feeling like maybe we should count by, should we count by tens? Okay, let's go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I don't know how far we're going to have to go. Okay, and we'll keep these 1, 2, 3. And we need some labels. $15 per hour, $10. I think these are hours and these are dollars. Okay, I'm on the way to getting this done. I got to put a dot at 10. So I got a blue dot here at 10. Oh, except that's pink. And then I got to go up 15 and over 1. Well, 15 would be one box and another half a box. So my next dot is going to be right here at 25. Up another 1.5 boxes. I'm at 40. Up another box and a half over 1. I'm at $55. And I don't know how many more dots I'm going to need. I don't think it makes sense to go down this direction because we can't go negative hours and negative dollars. Let's work on purple and see where we need to go. I have a dot at 20. No, I do not have a dot at 20. Why did I do that? I have a dot at 0 because there's nobody in the back. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have a dot at 0. Whew. Now I got to go up 20. That's what I'm doing with the 20. I'm going up 20 and right 1. Up 20, 10, 20, and right 1. Do they cross? Nope, because that other guy, he was at 25. So They don't cross yet. I gotta go up 20. 10, 20. Bingo, over 1. There's where they cross. Up 20 over 1, now he's taller. Okay, whew, I gotta try to make some nice pretty lines here. I'm gonna, oh my goodness, what'd I do? Okay, I gotta make some nice pretty lines. I'm gonna go choo, 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 choo. And I gotta get my blue line. Choo, 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 choo. And here's where they crisscrossed. So they wanted us to find the solution. The solution is 2, 40. Then they wanted us to say what that meant, interpret the solution. Well, remember that this was one craft store. They were giving scrapbooking lessons. This was a different craft store. Okay, they were charging one price. They were charging another price. So here's where the two meet. Any ideas what that means? Well, it means that at 2 hours, because 2 is an hours number, they both charge $40 because 40 is a dollars number. So if you were going to go only 1 hour, if you were just going to do 1 hour, it looks like purple is a little cheaper. So this store is a little bit cheaper. At 2 hours, they both charge the same. After 2 hours, blue is a little lower. That line is a little lower than the purple. So then if you're going to go 3 hours, you're better off going with this company because they will be $55 versus $60, so $5 cheaper. And I bet the gap just keeps going because I bet they kind of veer off that way. All right, here is your one and only video question. In your own words, what does it mean to solve a system of equations? Type in your answer.